Hi everyone. Um, Today I want to show you how to build a model which is sorting your customer by their willingness to buy your products. So in the last video in cohort analysis, we saw that the percentage of active customers drop after their initial months in company. Yes, so when a customer registers, he usually buys something. Yes, but the next month, yes, for example, the next month, yes, it's only 26% of customers who bought anything. Yeah, so we may want to increase that percentage, yes, because that's our business, yes. We want to sell more. And we want to do some marketing activities to um, to make this percentage bigger. And usually, resources for marketing companies are limited. So you can do it on the whole database. You should find customers uh, who are want to buy something. Yes, just not to waste your money on customers who are just, it's useless. Yes, to do any marketing on them. So, and I will use the RFM model. That's the recency, frequency, and monitoring. That's the very simple, equal weighted model without any machine learning. And in this case, I think the machine learning is too much for that problem. Yes, but now it's widely spread. It's it's used all the time in big companies that propensity models like that, yes, are built with machine learning algorithms, and they use a lot of variables. Yes, but I think that for that process, a lot of data is toxic, and you will only find the spurious correlations, fake ones. So stick with simple models, and it will be much more efficient. So let's start. I will copy that notebook with cohort analysis. Make import. Here I have just test. I will delete it. And I want to bring here the table, not to bring, just to show you the table from a sales report, the final table. Yeah. So here we have all months, yes, of our data, and I want to take now the October of 2011, yes, and build that model for customers in that period. So I will take all customers here who are who registered in the website for more than 1 month. Yes, so all old customers who registered in previous months, and I will calculate that RFM score for them. Okay, so let's start from finding that customers, and I will delete everything from cohort analysis by using my favorite shortcut DD. SQL equals select star from sales months, yeah, sales months t, where t months equals 2011, 10, 1, and T lifetime greater than 0. Select SQL. And here I have that much rows, that many rows. Now I want to use customer ID, months, and I also want to calculate the fact that a customer had bought something October 2011. That will be my kind of target variable. Yes, I will use it to evaluate the performance of my RFM score, and I will calculate it like that. Case when T in voice CNT greater than 0, then 1, else 0, and S target. What's wrong? Select customer need yeah, just a typo. Okay. And now for these customers, I want to join all data from the past, all information about their purchases in the past. So let me show you. I will use that query as a subquery. Check. Select star from new. And I will use group by here, so I will start from preparing this group by. See target and count 1, for example, just to check. And group by, yeah, it works. And now I can join. And I have the table which I created in sales report, and it is sales months AG, and it looks like that. There is all data aggregated by months for each customer, but here's in this table the row only exists when the customer had bought something in the past. Yeah, so in other way it just doesn't have row. Okay, so let's join the table. Left join sales months AG, I call it S here, on T customer ID equals S customer ID, and S months less than T months. So that's is condition which I use for taking data from the past and not including that month of October. So I will take only the data from here. Yes, I'm here. Yes, and I want to all data from the past. And let's check. So recency, frequency, and monitoring. The recency is how recent my customer. So how long ago he had an order. Yes, so I will use max here, max as months, Let's see. So, and just for example, this customer, yes, in looking at him in October 2011, had the last order in April 2011. Yes, so his last order is April. This customer has it in May. So, and for that model, I want to find the customer who are, fresh. Yes, so the more recent, the best. And I want to calculate the difference in months between current months and the months of last order. And I will use the extract function for that. I can just paste here the whole expression, and I will call it last order month. See, and I just for check. So here is a January, and current month is October, so it's 10 months. Yeah, cool. The next, recency frequency. It's how many orders customer did in the past. So it's just the sum as invoice CNT, I think I call it. Yeah. As invoice CNT, like that. Yeah, good. And the last one is monetary. It's how much money did he pay in the past as unit price sum. Yeah, it's correct. So I will use it as an alias. So, and now I have all variables for RFM model, and I will save that query to the data frame, df. And now I will calculate the recency frequency and monetary variables, and I show you how to do it. So we start with recency. Recency equals df last order month, rank pct equals true, and very important method equals max. It's very important to interpretation. I will show you in a moment. So see the df. That's rank function is calculating kinda percentile. Yes, but not exact, because I will put it here because it's not easy to calculate the percentile and in pandas. So see, basically the method is to use this this expression. Yes, it includes rank method equal max, but it's not exactly as my method. Yes, so I will paste that link here. Yes, you can read it later, but I will show you what I use. See, now I have some kind of percentile here, and it means that I can check it manually. Here, last order month. Last order month means that here means that 94% have last order months less than 9. Less or equal than 9. That's important. That's why I use max. So here I can check it len divided by len df. And see, that's exactly the same number as I has in this recency column. But for RFM model, I want to customers with lower last order months, yes, more fresh customers had the recency of high, because I will sort by that score. So I will add here ascending equals false. And now see that for the customer with that last order months, I have the very low recency scores. Means that from the recency, that's the bad customer. So you don't want to communicate with him. It's not fresh. And here's I just need to use the like this. Yes. So inverse the sign. So that means that 8% of that sample have last order months greater or equal to 9. Yes. And the same thing I will calculate for frequency. Frequency equals df invoice CNT rank PCT equals true. Ascending, I don't mean ascending here because I want to have the higher score for higher value of invoice CNT. And the method also max. And the monitoring equals df unit price sum, and same thing. df, yeah. And now to calculate the final score, I will just sum that three new variables, df recency plus df frequency plus df monetary. Yeah, and I want that score to be between 0 and 1. Yes, so I can do it like taking an average from that three values. And in this case, I'm using equally weighted model. Yes, but if you want, you can to play with the weights. So you can use it like this. For example, this is 0.5. This is say 0.2, and this is 0.3. Yeah. So you can assign the different weight for that model. But it's more robust to use equal weights because your model is not biased in any variable. So I will use equal weights here, just like that, divided by 3. Okay. And now I can show you, yes, so how that score sorts customers. So now if I look at target and calculate the mean, I have 29% here, yes. Now if I take the customers with score greater or equal, for example, 1 0.7 and calculate the same mean of target for that part of customers, I get much higher average of customers who are bought something in October. So see, that model can find some customers who are want to buy something from your company. So now you can, for example, take a top 10 customers by that score, top 10% customer for that score, and make some marketing activity on them. But be careful on taking the top one, because maybe they are, you don't have to do any marketing activities, because that customer will buy your product just by himself. He don't need any communication to buy it. So in this case, you want to find some kind of sweet spot. Yes, you maybe you can perform some tests, yes, with control and test groups, and find that sweet spot. And to evaluate that model, yes, just as I show here, there is a better way to do that, and that is calculate uplift. And I will show that technique in the next video, where we calculate that uplift score for that model. I will save that notebook and add it to repository, so you can download it from my GitHub page. Okay, so see you in the next video. Have fun.